What are API rate limits?
API rate limits restrict how many requests you can make to an API over a set period of time. They exist to prevent servers from being overloaded and to ensure fair use among all users. Exceeding these limits can result in errors or temporary blocks, so understanding rate limits is the first step to avoiding problems.
How to find rate limit information.
Most APIs document their rate limits clearly in their official guides. Look for a section labeled Rate Limits or Usage Limits. Some APIs also include rate limit details in the headers of each API response, showing how many calls remain before you hit the limit. Always review this information before building your integration.
Common errors from rate limit issues.
When you exceed rate limits, the API typically returns specific error codes like 429, too many requests. Other errors might include service unavailability or temporary bans. These messages are designed to let you know you've sent too many requests and should slow down to prevent further issues.
Strategies to respect rate limits.
To avoid hitting rate limits, add delays or throttling to your code so it sends requests gradually. Monitor the rate limit headers and API responses to adjust your request rate as needed. Use efficient queries to minimize unnecessary calls and batch tasks when possible. Regularly review API documentation for updates on limits.
Handling rate limit errors gracefully.
If you receive a rate limit error, pause further requests for the time specified in the response. Implement a retry after mechanism that waits the required time before trying again. Building error handling into your code ensures your application remains reliable and user-friendly, even when rate limits are reached.